Okay, today is Wednesday, May 7th, 2008, and this is the Forex recap for today. And I would consider today a buffet dinner because it was just all you could eat, and it was an unbelievable day today. So we'll go ahead and get into it. Specifically, the Euro USD, my God, could not have asked for anything better. We were across the zero line to the short side prior to London. London came on right here, so we made a low. The low of this candle is 54.66, so I'm going to put an entry at 54.65. And my stop is going to be 1 pip above the pivot point. So the pivot point is 15, so I'm going to go 17 on the stop. So we'll go here. So here we go. Here's our entry order. Retraced a little bit, came back, we broke it. Pause, never came close to touching our stop, and then we just blasted through. This candle was about 50 pips, so you could have got in here and took this one. Let's just say you overslept and you missed this one. Well, go ahead and take this low, -1. There's the entry. Stop is going to be here, and so here we go. Hung out, we made a low, hung out for a little bit, bang, came across it. Nowhere near to stop, blasted through for another 30 or 40 pips. And then if that wasn't enough for you and you missed that one, then you could have used this low here. Let's see, the low of this candle is 53.66, so 53.65 is your entry. Stop is going to be 1 pip above here. The high of this candle is 05, so we're going to go 07 because I use odd numbers. And so here we go. Tested the low, came back. Never got brought into the trade. Bang, broke it here, and here we are. Made another 30 pips. So this was just a smorgasbord for the euro. Couldn't have been any easier. This is a day that you really needed to capitalize on because I don't think this is a very typical day. Let's go to the pound dollar. It wasn't as clean. However, it did make its moves. Here we go. We was below the zero line to the short side. London came on. We was up in this area here. So let's just say we come down. Here's the low. First time we touched here. So the low of this candle is 95.92. 95.91 is going to be the entry. Stops 1 pip above here. And there we go. So we came back, retraced, bang, blasted through here. Then we continued down. Good for 30, 40 pips. If you missed that one, you had another chance here. Mark this as your low. Let's see what the low of this candle is. Low of this candle is 95.56. So 55 is going to be the entry. Stop is going to be 1 pip above here. So very, very tight. Oh God, it's just too much. Here we go. Tested the low. Hung out. Bang. Came through it here. Didn't know if it wanted to continue. However, the next candle ensured us that we were going to continue short. Bang, good for another 30, 40 pips. So this was, it was clean, but not as clean as the euro. Wait till you guys see the euro yen. Just unbelievable. Actually, the Swiss was too. Dollar Swiss. Euro yen. All right, here we go to the short side. London comes on. We had this was not confirmed longs because our MACD was to the short side. Whenever we did come across, we never did test the high off of here. So because we didn't buy the dip, we were safe. That's where our system is going to keep you with a better win-loss ratio, because a lot of people is going to buy a dip here, but we decided to reverse, and then it was just down, down, down the rest of the day, including now. So here we go. We came across to the short side here. Low here is 162.34, so 33 is the entry. Stop 1 pip above that high. Bang. So here we go. We came, tested the low, retraced, boop, blew through it on this candle, then continued down. Let's just say you missed this entry. Well, if that's fine, no problem. If you missed that entry, you can hang on 1 second. If you missed that entry, you could have used this candle here as your low. And then there's 1 pip above here high for the stop. So came, tested low, retraced a little bit, boop, came back down. All right, we caught that one. Well, let's say we missed that one. Use this as your low, 1 pip below, 1 pip above here, stop. Hung out, boop, came back down, and this one just blasted through. We didn't have another entry till just a couple of hours ago. This was a huge move. You could have took this one down for 100 pips easily, because that's 15, 30, yeah, at least 75, 90 pips was this move here. So this was 3 entries that were given, not even close to testing the stop loss. Just another proven way that our system's working. Let's go to the dollar Swiss. Oh Lord, this beauty. This was a beauty. All right, here we go. London comes on up in this area here. We're above the MACD to the long side, which makes sense because the euro and the pound dollars were short. Here we go. Came down. Boop. Here we go. Test the high there. 1 pip above. So stop's going to be 1 pip below this short there. So here we go. Came back. Tested to retrace a little bit. Bang. Came through. Might have gave us a little bit of a nerve test with this candle here, but again, the stop loss is there for a reason, and we did not get it hit, and then blasted through it. So let's just say we missed this entry here, and we took this one here. So we would go 1 pip above this candle here for the high. Stop is going to be right here, 1 pip below that bear sign. So here we go. Made a high, came down, hung out for a little bit, bang, blasted through on this big bull candle, then came back and tested it and continued up. If you would stay in this trade, let's just say you missed this entry on this candle here, well, you could again here, 1 pip below, 1 pip above this high, and so the stop would have been here, so we would have been okay with the stop loss because we came down just to here. Our stop was there, bang, blasted through, so we could have got another 20 pips out of there. So this one just gave you multiple entries throughout the day as well, and even prior to the London session, but I don't like to because volume's typically not good. The volume just confirms, this is what was happening. Another, you could have chose this currency. So just unbelievable price action today on those 4 pairs, and I think the dollar yen had given us pretty much some entries. Yeah, let's see, 1, 2. Maybe not as clean. No, it wasn't as clean because we didn't have as touch. So this one probably not have been worked out as good as the others. But there was at least 7 opportunities for trades today that were all good for 30 plus pips and more if you follow the rules. And again, we're just showing you that this system works. If we offer the system and support to go along with it. We offer a signal service where if you don't want to do the analysis and let me call out the trades, I'll do that as well. Or lastly, you have the opportunity to let me manage your money for you. This is the same. This trading methodology that I employ here on these videos are the same one we offer to teach you with the educational package. So we're proving time and time again that this is a system we use and it works. We're not like a couple of other guys that continually sell you a system. They sell you a system and give you a pat on the butt and tell you good luck, and then next thing you know, a week later they're sending you an email promoting another system. So this is it. We prove that it works and we employ it, so we stand by everything that we offer on our website. So again, you can visit us at oracleforex.com, or you could visit us on our blog without the www. It'd be http://blog.oracleforex.com. And that's it. See you tomorrow.